Hello! So today I want to show you a different kind of video. It's a mountain vlog. So last March, me and my family, we went to the mountains near the province of Lecco at the Piani di Nava. It took us with a car almost 1 hour from our home, and then we arrived in Baiedo, where we left our car in one of their free parking lots. We're going there, Piani di Nava. Ciao! Half of the walk was in the cement, and to be honest, I prefer a wide path because the first one makes me feel more exhausted, and it seems like my legs and shoes were having some sort of adherence problems. I just forgot to introduce myself. Introduce this, oh my god, vlog. Anyway, good morning. I am with my family today. And it's Sunday. The weather is so good, it's so sunny here. And we are going to Piani di Nava. I don't know. Ay. I am so tired. After some highs and sections, we finally arrived at the Piani di Nava. The view was spectacular. It was like a postcard in the real life. We're here. Look at that. So wonderful! Papa, saluta. Mother. Hello. And then around 10:30 we arrive at the Rifugio Riva. The refuge is known for its hospitality and stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Ecco il Rifugio Riva. We stopped there for some time to recharge and to enjoy some deserving desserts, such as a piece of chocolate and pear cake. This is the cake. Pera e cioccolato. Faccio il primo assaggio? Ah.
Tenta saan?
Eccolo!
Ancora torta?
Ciao! Sei bellissimo! And now we're going back down to our car, and I think it will take It will take 1 hour, I think, right? Or 45 minutes. Let's see. Bah. Parang sa Pilipinas lang. Guarda dov'è? Questo è il gallo. E il gallo. Si vede? Wow. Vuoi sapere quanto tempo ci mettiamo per arrivare alla macchina? You want the truth? Non dico la stessa pensa io? You will be scared.
He's probably going.
Dai, spara un numero. Spara un numero. 1 ora e 15 minuti. He's gonna try.
Dai, sei cattivo, non vai.
He's gonna try. 3, 2, via. A me fai così, lo tiro di là.
Ma ti pare? Ma me la faccio così se te.
Provo 2 volte a fare così e cadere giù. Fai come me, guarda. Fai così come me. Così. E poi quando hai paura, giù. 2 volte.
Cosa mi fa piacere?
Non ti fai male, te lo giuro, non ti fai male. Dai, ce la fai. Sono neanche 2 centimetri sono. Dai, ce la puoi fare. Lascia andare, bravo, dai, bravissimo. Vai, dai della spinta.
Col cazzo.
Visto? Bravo. Che carine. Ehi.
Wow, let me tell you that we walked more than we expected because we did a full circle of the mountain. Basically, we started from a small village and ended up on the other side of the mountain by mistake. We were so exhausted, but then we found a cafeteria nearby the waterfall, so we decided to go there and do another coffee break.
So we're going back to our car and it's time to go home because we're so tired. Basically we did all the mountain, we walked around the mountain, so I don't know how many steps, but now it's time to go.
So that's it. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you very soon with another vlog. Thank you and bye bye. Ta-ta.